Hey, I'm Bea and welcome back to our channel. Today we're making one of my go-to weeknight dinners, which is salmon teriyaki in the air fryer. It's super simple, quick to make, and still gives me that bold Asian flavor that I crave. Let me show you how to do it.
Okay, here's everything you need for a quick, tasty salmon teriyaki. We're gonna start with the sauce. This is honestly the easiest teriyaki sauce ever and way better than store-bought. I'm using soy sauce, rice vinegar, honey, ginger and garlic. Here I'm just making some slurry to help thicken up the sauce. I'm just using some cornstarch and plain water. Now just stir everything together on medium heat. Once it looks thick and shiny like this, take it off the heat and let it cool. We're gonna use half now and save the other half for later. Okay, now our salmon. Cut the salmon into 1.5-inch cubes. Bigger pieces like this will give you those crispy edges without overcooking them. Now pour in half the sauce. The rest is for glazing later.
I love Asian food. I'm an Asian. I grew up with it. But sometimes I want those flavors without spending 2 to 3 working days prepping and cooking. But these give me all the flavors I crave in 20 minutes in total?
Now set your air fryer to 430 and give it a few minutes to preheat.
Yes, we love those crispy edges.
Now spoon over that glossy teriyaki sauce that we saved earlier.
If you find this video helpful, a quick like really helps us out. It lets YouTube know that people actually want to see this type of food, which I hope you do. Let me know in the comments down below what type of air fryer recipe would you like to see next. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you on the next one.